All right, let's finish this review. Number 14, write an equivalent expression with positive exponents only. Yes, this is as simple as it looks. X to the fourth minus 3 is an x. Okay, you can think of it as x to the fourth over x to the third, which still results in an x left over on the top. Right? X marks the spot. All right. This is a bunch of gobbledygook that just says these aren't zeros. That's all. Don't kind of ignore that. We are distributing this 2 over here. (49)W8 v to the negative 4. So 49W8 v to the positive 4. Put it underneath, removes the negative. Find the value when this is 3. So 3 squared, 4 times 3 plus 5. That is 9 minus 12 plus 5. That is 2. And when it's a negative 3 squared minus 4. This, do not be lazy and don't skip these parentheses. I think the parentheses help keep everything straight. This is 9 plus 12 plus 5, which is 26. 9 times 9 is 81. Do not turn these around. Okay, they're just in a messed up order. It's okay. Notice that these are a special product. This is the same term in the front as in the back. The result is that the middle terms go away and you get 81 minus x squared. Do not flip these around or you're going to get the minus sign in the wrong place. So please leave these as is, okay? All right, this is 12x7 over 4x2. Negative 12x3 over 4x2. Negative 16x squared over 4x2. All right, first term, 12 into 4 goes 3 times, and 7 minus 2 is x to the 5. Let me get my key ready, just in case I mess something up. Let's see. Negative 12 divided by 4 is a negative 3. 3 on top, 2 underneath is just an x. Negative 16 divided by 4 is a negative 4. And there are no x's left. Okay, x squared over x squared is a 1. 10c squared. That was first. That's outside. Inside. Last. 10c squared plus, what is that, 27 minus 28. That goes over there. All right, this is 5x minus 4 2 times. I think that's one of the things people get wrong a lot on the test. Do not distribute this 2. Can't do that. I have 2 of these. 25x squared minus 20x minus 20x plus 16. Watch all those little signs. So the final answer is 25x squared minus 40x plus 16. All right, just the signs will get you on that one. Write this in scientific notation. The decimal is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is where I'm going to move it. 5.612 times 10 to the 5, because this was a big number, so it's a positive exponent. Okay, I'm going to FOIL first. This is 3r squared minus 6r plus 5r minus 10, combine like terms, 3r squared minus r minus 10. Put the 6 back and distribute. 18r squared, negative 6r, negative 60. Done. Okay. And then switch from multiplication to addition and subtraction. All right. So these parentheses come off because there's no reason for them to be there. But this is a distribution of a negative 1. So negative times negative is a positive. Negative. Negative. Yeah. All right. Then find like terms. There is an x to the fifth and there's an x to the fifth. So 3x to the fifth. There's a 2. There's a 2 plus 4x squared. And remember, we're not changing the exponents. This is the only plain x, and this is the only constant term. Okay. Evaluate for 4. That means put it in there. Use parentheses, please. I really recommend that one. All right, this is 8. This is 5 times 4 to the third power is 64. 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 is 64. 2 times 4 to the fourth power, 64 times 4 is 256, plus 3, plus, hang on. 4 squared is 16. All right, so put all that in your calculator, or you can go one more step. 8 minus 320 plus 512 plus 3 plus 64. My final answer is 267, I believe. Let me know if that's incorrect. All right, so a to the 4 minus 6 is a to the negative 2. B to the 3 minus 1 is b to the 2. So our final answer, the b would be on top and the a would be on the bottom. Okay. Don't have to do it that way. You can just go, there's 4 on top, 3 on top, 6 underneath. So if you can just picture this, this goes away and this turns into a 2, right? And then there's 1b down here and 3b's up here, so that's 2, and that goes away. Okay, so a to the 2. So it looks a little messy, but that's fine if you do that. Okay, to show your work. And let's see, write in standard form. Oh my. So this is a really big number, right? 1.809. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go back in there. Did I get that right? Did I count to 10? Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can't count, sorry. Gotta go 10 times. From where it was until where it is now. And then I sort of break it up into commas. So this is going to be 18090 and then 3 and then another comma. Okay. That's a little tricky. All right. Positive. Oh, speaking of tricky. All right. That needs to be done first. So I am going to ignore that one and distribute that too. So that's going to be, well, that takes the parentheses off if I distribute that to them. All right, this is a negative 6 times 2 and a z to the 1 times 2. And then I didn't touch anything underneath yet. So this is x to the negative 3, y to the negative 12, z to the 2, a to x, y, -1, z to the 8. All right, so that's my first step. There are many ways to do this one. I'm going to start there. So it looks like I only have x, y's, and z's. So let's handle the x's. So x to the -3 minus a -8 because it's a division problem. So that's -3 plus 8. So that's x to the 5. Y to the -12. Where's the 1? Missing the 1. -1. No. Hang on. It's a division, not a multiplication. So this is a -12 minus a -1. So that's y to the -11. And then the z is 2 minus 8 is z to the -6. All right, so the x's are left on top because that's a positive exponent. Then the z's and the y's are on the bottom because they are negative exponents. So it can be done many ways. I'd like to recommend that one. Okay, I think that's it.